Welcome back to the Everyday Fishing Channel. Oh my God. Holy crap. Holy crap. He's dragging me all over the place. Oh my God. Come here, you old fish. Come here, you old carp fish. On my net. Let me get my net out. Bam. Got him. There you go. Come here, you old carp fish. All right. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Almost had him. Got him. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. There's a carp for you. That's how you do it. Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Good job, man.
Thank you, sir.
What kinds you getting there?
We got a carp.
Oh, it's a big one, huh?
Oh, he might go 8 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, he might go 8 pounds, something like that.
Dang. Good catch, dude. Congrats.
Whoa, I appreciate that.
Pretty little thing. Look at that whopping.
All right, let's see here. No, he's a good sized fish. Let's get him unhooked. Let's get him unhooked. There you go, buddy, you're unhooked. Now here's the thing. We're gonna put him on the scale that I don't have with me. Can you believe that? I brought my scale. I don't have my scale with me. So we'll just get this guy back in the net. Bam. I guess I better show these folks on TikTok this fish.
What kind of bait were you using, if you don't mind?
Pack bait.
Okay,
This is oatmeal, panko breadcrumbs, cream corn, and strawberry jello.
and it just globs together really well?
It globs together on a method feeder.
Okay.
Come here and check it out.
What's a method feeder, like a base to have it glom together? That's cool.
Method feeder is this deal right here.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
You squeeze it on there,
Yeah.
and then you got this hair rig down here. It's a hook and with some fake corn,
Oh,
right?
that's cool. Okay.
You just Google on Amazon method feeders and
yeah.
hair rigs.
The game has changed since that last fish.
It's this a European thing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's a European thing.
Wow, man.
Look at this guy.
It's huge.
Poor guy still got life in him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but he's not
There he goes, you guys. That's what I call a carp fish.
Look at that big one, man.
That's nice, right?
Yeah.
Woo! We'll let him go. Take care, guys. Here we go. About 8 pounds,
8 pounds?
something like that. About 8 pounds. Woo! And we're getting a phone call. Sorry, we don't take phone calls right now. We are live on TikTok and we are making a YouTube video. We don't take phone calls while we're doing those two things. If you guys like this kind of stuff, here, let me shut this. Woo! Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Share this with everybody you know. Tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your granny, tell everybody go fishing every day, man. Thank you for watching.